So what I've got here is a screwdriver set from Stanley, and it's the 66-039 set. So Stanley obviously is a really trusted brand. You know, we've all heard of them. They make a lot of tools and they've been doing it for a long, long time. So I didn't really skip a beat when I was just like deciding to purchase this set. And really, when you've got like an intricate job and a normal screwdriver won't really work, like, because you can get the ones with interchangeable bits, but they're always quite wide. So I needed something that had that length and was narrow so it could get in there, like in a PlayStation controller, taking apart any electronics or anything like that. You often need these sort of thin, long screwdrivers. And I saw that some people had said in the reviews that these end caps are loose and wobbling about, and that really annoyed them. But I hate to say it, but you're wrong. These are actually supposed to be loose like this. And the reason is that when you have that part against your palm and you grip hold of the grippy part, as you turn it, you can actually have this part pressed against your hand, and you get the rotation as you're screwing something in, and you can apply pressure with your hand, and that applied pressure towards whatever you're screwing up or unscrewing holds that part still whilst the rest of it twists. So actually it's a way to stop the rubbing against your hand. The set features a good range of bits. So you've got the number 1, number 0 Phillips, and you also get 4 flatheads in the range of 1.4 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 2.4 millimeters, and 3 millimeters. So overall, a really solid set of small screwdrivers. And the fact that it comes in a case like this that clearly displays what it is just means you can chuck it in your toolbox, and when you open it up you can see exactly what you have inside. So I'm very happy with this purchase, and even though I don't use them every day, I know that I've got a solid set of screwdrivers just waiting in the toolbox for whenever I need them.